Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening New Outlook and switching to Calendar. This ensures you're changing the right item. Once there, locate your target calendar in the left pane and open its context menu with a right-click or the three dots. Make sure the calendar is selected and visible so color changes apply. The reason we act on the calendar itself is that New Outlook ties color to calendar identity, not individual events. This first step targets that identity, so later changes persist. Next, pick the color option from the calendar menu and choose a swatch. This is the central action because New Outlook uses a single calendar color for display. Once you select a swatch, the app applies it immediately to that calendar's events and blocks. If your account supports custom colors, open the color picker and fine-tune hue and brightness. Make sure to confirm or press Done. This step ensures consistent visual grouping, which helps you scan schedules more quickly. Finally, verify the change by viewing day, week, and month. Colors should update across all. If you don't see the new color, sign out or restart New Outlook. Caching or sync delays are common culprits. Make sure the calendar isn't a shared or delegated calendar managed by another policy, because Exchange or admin policies can lock colors. If that's the case, contact the owner or admin. Once done, your calendar color will persist and improve visual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.